Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you pray or hustle, money slips right through your fingers? Like you're sprinting on a treadmill, sweating, grinding, begging God for financial breakthrough, but your bank account never gets the memo? What if the problem isn't God holding out, it is us missing his money moves? If you ever felt like money is controlling you instead of the other way around, comment, that is me. Because today we are getting 6 kingdom money moves to break free and finally walk in financial peace. Let's dive into it. Money move number 1. Make money your slave, not your master. Matthew 25, verse number 16. Remember the guy who got 5 talents? He didn't pick up extra shifts. He didn't beg even for overtime. He just put his money to work and he was able to double it. That is kingdom model. Money works for you, not you working for it. If your dollars aren't multiplying while you sleep, worship or rest, you are missing God's design. Ask yourself, is your money sitting idle or is it labeling for God's glory? Money move number 2. Never cosign, no matter how much they beg you. Proverbs 22 verse number 26. It doesn't whisper, it shouts. Don't guarantee another person's debt. You see, consigning isn't kindness. It is spiritual and financial suicide. And I've seen believers lose home, cars, peace, because they said yes when God said no. If they can't qualify alone, why risk everything to bail them out? Want to help? Give, don't lend, and don't consign. Because once your name is on that paper, you are 100% liable, even if they ghost you. Money move number 3. Build multiple streams, like God did in the Garden of Eden. Genesis chapter 2 verse number 10 to 15. The Bible says that one river flowed from Eden, then split into 4. One source, 4 streams. God didn't give Adam just one stream. He gave him multiplication. Your main job, that is your Eden river. Now what side hustles, skills or investment or even services can branch of that? Ecclesiastes chapter number 11 verse number 6. Sow your seed in the morning, and at evening let your hands not be idle, because you don't know which one will succeed, or maybe both will. You see, one paycheck is very fragile. Multiple streams, that for me is stability. Money move number 4. Break free from debt, especially consumer debt. You know, there's a line in the book of Proverbs 22 verse number 7, to be exact. It says, the borrower is slave to the lender. Notice it didn't say might be. It says is. Now you might be asking yourself, why is that important today? Well, look around. We are talking credit cards, car loans, that whole buy now pay later trap. And let's be honest for a second, that is not freedom. It is just chains with interest rates attached. And here's the thing, the rich, they use debt to build, but the poor, they use debt to buy yesterday's happiness. And then they end up paying for it tomorrow, next year, and the year after that. I mean, think about it. Sweeping for stuff that is already worn out or already eaten. Come on, that is not stewardship, it is slavery in disguise. And no, I'm not exaggerating. So what does all this mean? Break the cycle. Live beneath your means. Say no to shiny things that are trying to steal your future. And if you can't afford it without debt, pray for discipline. Build up your patience. Because trust me, freedom tastes a whole lot better than anything you can ever buy on credit. Money move number 5. Don't lend to family members. Give instead. So here's the thing about lending to people we love. We lend out of love, but unpaid love loans, we know they pose a relationship very fast. And I have seen it. Siblings stop talking. Friendship turns bitter all over money. Romans chapter 13 verse number 8 says, owe no one anything except to love one another. So here's the kingdom hack. If you can't afford to lose it, give it. No string attached, no due dates, just grace. Because gift heals, but loans would. If you can't afford to lose the money, you can't afford to lend it. Protect your peace, protect your relationship. Remember, love doesn't keep score, and neither should your checkbook. And finally, money move number 6. Budget your money. I know nobody likes the B word, but Jesus himself said, before you build, count the cost. Think of it this way, you can't manage what you don't measure. You see, a budget isn't legalism, it is discipline. And John Maxwell put it very clearly. He said, budget is telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. So which of these money moves hit you the hardest? Drop a number 1 through 6 in the comment section. I want to know why. And if you skipped number 2, you are playing with fire. Look, God did save you to survive paycheck to paycheck. He saved you to thrive, to give freely, to build boldly, and to bless lavishly. So that is it for today. Like this video, share it with someone drowning in debt, and subscribe for more. Thank you and God bless you.